music to my ears but out of my sight. Songbird, songbird, right outside my door. Your song is so joyful that I just cannot ignore. Songbird, are you singing just for me? It's amazing how beautiful the melody. Songbird, you remind me of God's great design. All creatures, big and small, is His plan divine. Songbird, thank you for the lullaby. I'm so glad you took a branch nearby.